So in the previous class, we have been doing what we were doing? Questions. We have been doing questions from previous years of JEE Mains in Advance. All right. So now let's start with few more questions. See, this question is just a moment. So let's start. Like the question, this was a question from like 2 years back. It came in JEE Mains. Matrix A is given. Now B is basically having three columns named B1, B2 and B3. Now AB1 is given to you, AB2, AB3 is given to you. So what you have to identify, matrix B. Once you get the B, you will get determinant of B, you will get sum of the diagonal elements of B. Now how to do? Give it a try for 1 minute. See, let your B is P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. So this is what? This. This is my B1, this is B2, and this is B3. B1, B2, B3. Now they are saying AB1 is 1, 0, 0. All right. So your A is 201, 110, 101. B1. B1 is PQR is equals to 100. So this implies, now do, see, 2P plus R will be 1. This into this, P plus Q is going to be 0. P plus R is also going to be 0. All right. So I multiplied and compared each one of them. So 2P plus R 1, P plus Q 0, P plus R 0. Now, if I solve all three of them, I will get, first of all, let's solve these two. So if you solve these two, you will get P as 1, R as -1, and Q as -1. Am I correct? And now see, for these values, all three equations in PQR are satisfied. Yes or no? P1, R -1, Q -1. Now let's make second equation. Now they are saying A, B2 is 230. A is again same, 201, 110, 101. Multiplied by B2. B2 is XYZ. And with this, what do you get? 230. Now again, multiply and compare. So 2x plus z equals to 2. X plus y equals to 3. And x plus z equals to 0. All right. Again, first of all, we will solve these two. So if I solve these two, I will get x as 2, z as -2. So y is going to be 1. See, all three are getting satisfied. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now they are saying AB3 is 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 means 201, 110, 101 multiplied by A, B, C, which is B3. And with this, I get 3, 2, 1. Now, if you simplify these, you get 2A plus C equals to 3. A plus B equals to 2. And A plus C equals to 1. Now, again, if you simplify all of them, you get A as 2, C as -1, and B as 0. So with this, you get the entire matrix A. Matrix A was PQR XYZ ABC. So it is going to be PQR is 1 minus 1 minus 1. ABC is 3 to 1. Sorry, PQR then XYZ. Then XYZ 2 minus 2 1. 2 1 minus 2. And ABC is 2 0 minus 1. This is your matrix A. Now, once you got A, you can find everything regarding A. Determinant they are asking which is alpha. Then diagonal, sum of diagonal entries means trace they are asking, that is beta. Am I clear? Tanush, anything?
No.
Lakshmi, understood?
Clear, sir.
Now, let's go forward. See this question. Last to last lecture, I have taught you everything regarding this. The system of equations has infinitely many solutions, then 13 alpha beta is equal to. So for infinitely many solutions, what all do you have to do? Delta 0, delta 1 0, delta 2 0, and delta 3 0. Now do it quickly. What is delta? What is delta 1? What is delta 2? Two, 3 minus 1, 1 alpha 3, 3 minus 1 beta. This is your delta. Then now solve it. This is 2 times alpha beta plus 3 minus 3 times beta minus 9 minus 1 time minus 1 minus 3 alpha. So it is 2 alpha beta plus 6 minus 3 beta plus 27 plus 1 plus 3 alpha. So that is 2 alpha beta minus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 28 and 6 34. Now we'll keep it up to this point only. Won't drag it any further. All right. Okay. Now delta 1. Delta 1 is what? 5 minus 4, 7. 3 alpha minus 1 minus 1, 3 beta. 5 times alpha beta plus 3 minus 3 times minus 4 beta minus 21 plus minus 1 time 4 minus 7 alpha. So it is 5 alpha beta plus 12 beta plus 7 alpha minus 63 plus 63 plus 15, 73, 78 78 minus 4, 74. All right. Now, delta 2. Yahan se, from this point, I'll start getting better idea. It is 213. Then it is 5 minus 4, 7. And minus 1, 3 beta. Because after doing it 0, I'm directly going to get value of beta. So it is 3 times. I'm expanding along third row. So 3 times 15 minus 4 minus 7 times 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3 beta times minus 8 minus 5. So 15 minus 4, 11, 3 is 33 minus 49 minus 39 beta. All right, now you're going to make it 0. So 39 beta is equals to minus of 15. So beta is going to be minus 15 upon 39, that is minus 5 by 30. Now what is delta 3? 2, 1, 3, 3 alpha minus 1.
16, sir.
Sorry?
16.
16. Mahesh, what are you saying? Sorry?
Sir, 49, 33 there.
Okay, okay,
16
okay.
is the...
No. Correct. Thank you so much for keeping an eye. So 33 say 43 and 49. This is 16 basically. So it will be minus 16 upon 39. 5 minus 4, 7. Thank you so much. So it is 2 times 7 alpha minus 4 minus 3 times 7 and 12. 19 plus 5 times minus 1 minus 3 alpha. Now make it 0. So it is 14 alpha minus 8 minus 57 minus 5 minus 15 alpha equals to 0. So value of alpha came 57 and 5, 57 and 5, 62 and 8, 70. The value of alpha is 70. Now alpha beta you got. Now there are two conditions. These values of alpha beta that you got, they should satisfy the first equation. First two equations, which I assume they will definitely satisfy because, but I still doubt about the value of delta 2. Delta 2.
सर अल्फा का वैल्यू नेगेटिव आना चाहिए सर.
Just a minute, let me do. Alpha is minus 70, yes, and beta is minus 16 upon 39. Minus 16 upon 39, just a moment. 8 beta. If I expand it 3 times 15 plus minus 4, 7 times minus 7 times 6 and 1, 7, and beta times minus 8 minus 5. Why is I have written 3 beta? It's simply beta, not 3 beta. It is beta only. So it will be 13 beta. So your 13 beta will be minus 16. So implies beta is minus 16 upon 13. And I'm very sure since the options are directly numerical values, There is none of these, this kind of option. That means whatever the value you got, they will definitely satisfy delta 1 and delta 2. Now they're asking for 13 alpha beta. 13 alpha beta, that is 13 into minus 16 by 13 and minus 70. 13 cancel, it is 16 into 70. That is 1120. Understood? Yes, these kind of questions are very precautionary. Solve them very slowly, judiciously. Because there is a huge chance of making certain mistake. You know? So that is why I'm saying do them very slowly. Answer will certainly come, that is for sure. All right. Now, go for this question. Very good question from matrices. This question is from J Advance. Read the question. What they are saying, M inverse is adjoint of M. Now try. Yes, Jake Sparrow, please switch off your mic. Shall we start? See, let M be a 3 by 3 invertible matrix with real entries. I denote the 3 by 3 identity matrix and M inverse is adjoint of adjoint, which of the following is oblique R true. Multi-correct question it is. First of all, let us somehow rectify this. See, I have already taught you M into adjoint of M will be determinant of M into I, yes or no? Let's do one thing. Replace M by adjoint of M. So it will be adjoint of M, adjoint of M is equals to determinant of adjoint M into I. Correct? This comes out to be determinant of M square into I. Now multiply both sides by M. So M into adjoint M, adjoint of M is determinant of M square into M into I. Now this value is also what? Determinant of M into I into adjoint of M is determinant of M square into M into I, and one determinant of M cancel. So from this conclusion, what did I get? That adjoint of M is determinant of M into M. And this is what I have already explained you as a property of adjoint. Any doubt into this? Anybody? Well, they are saying this is equals to M inverse. So M inverse is what? Determinant of M into M. Take determinant both sides. So determinant of M inverse is determinant of M into M. Now since M is a 3 by 3 matrix, if I take out this scalar, it will become M cube. So 1 upon determinant of M is determinant of M ka cube into determinant M. So from this I can see determinant of M to the power 5 is 1. That means determinant of M is 1. First condition. So determinant of M is 1. You got this as a correct answer. All right. Determinant of M is 1. So that means from this equation, what you can say, M inverse, which is equals to determinant of M into M. That means M inverse is equals to M. That means M square is identity matrix. Second condition. Yes or no? Now, is it okay up to this point? See, this is very tough. If you did not get it, do let me know. All right, understood. Now, adjoint of M square they are talking about. See, M into adjoint of M into adjoint of M is equals to determinant of M into I. Determinant of M, I got 1. That means M into adjoint of M is equals to identity matrix. Yes or no? Now, M inverse they are giving me as adjoint of M. And adjoint of M is what I got this. That is determinant of M into M. Just a minute. Let's not do it this way. See, I have M into adjoint of M as identity matrix. Now, M, that means adjoint of M is going to be M inverse. And if adjoint of M is M inverse, and I know from here M inverse is equal to M. So I got M into adjoint of M as I. Now replace M as adjoint M. So it is adjoint M into adjoint M as identity matrix. So adjoint of M ka square is also I. So this is also correct. This is also correct. So these are the 3 correct answers. M square I is does not mean that M is also I. All right. So that is why that option is definitely not correct. Fine. Understood. Very good question and undoubtedly tough also. Have a look. Done? Now, let's start with this. Again, a very good question. Also a question of J advance. M given है, adjoint of M is also given to me. All right. Where A and B are real numbers, then which of the following options is oblique are correct? Adjoint of M inverse plus adjoint of M inverse is minus M, this, and this. Yes, how do I do it? See, M is given to you, adjoint of M is given to you. All right. First of all, let's find what is adjoint of M determinant. Adjoint of M determinant will be -1, 1 minus 1, 8 minus 6, 2, -5, 3 minus 1. So this is going to be -1 time 6 minus 6, 0, -1 time -8 plus 10, that is 2, -1 time 24 minus 30, -6. So it is going to be -2 plus 6, that is 4. This and this is what? This is determinant of M square. All right. Second thing, M into X. All right. So M into adjoint of M is determinant of M into I. Now if I multiply this, see 0, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, 3, B1, -1, 1 minus 1, 8 minus 6, 2, -5, 3 minus 1. This should be what? This should be determinant of M0, 0, 0 determinant of M0, 0, 0 determinant of M. Yes or no? Now let's multiply somehow. What do I get? This into this. That is 8 minus 5A. This into this. That is -6 plus 3A. Then this into this, it is 2 minus A. Then second row, first column, -1 plus 16, -1 plus 16 minus 15, it will go 0. This into this. अब देखो second row, second column, if I do 1 minus 12 plus 9. So 9 and 1, 10 minus 12. 1 minus 12 plus 9. So that comes minus 2. So this thing signifies that determinant of m is going to be minus 2. So from there I am getting determinant of m as plus minus 2, but negative rejected. So determinant of m goes minus 2. Am I correct? Am I correct? Determinant of m is minus 2. Then first row, third column, minus 1 plus 4. This will also 0. Now third row, first column, minus 3 plus 8b minus 5. So it is 8b minus 8. This into this, 3 minus 6b plus 3. 6 minus 6b. And then this into this, that would be minus 3 plus 2b minus 1. So minus 4 plus 2. This is equals to minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2. Now if I compare all of them, third row, minus 3, minus 4 plus 2. Yes. If I compare all of them, what I should get? Minus 6 plus 3a as 0. This implies a should be 2. Now A2 satisfying all three of them. See, if you put A as 2, you are getting their first row. Second row is already sorted. About the third row, 8b minus 8 should be 0. So b is 1. Now b equals to 1 is satisfying the other equations. Understood? So I got value as A2 B1. And with this, you got this correct. Now, C option, determinant of adjoint of m square, that is determinant of m square square, that is determinant of m to the power 4. Now, determinant of m, what do I have? Minus 2, so determinant to the power 4 is going to be 16. So C, not a correct answer. Now m you have multiplied by alpha, beta, gamma is 1, 2, 3. Then that means what? Alpha, beta, gamma is m inverse into 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Now m inverse is what? It is adjoint m upon determinant of m multiplied by 1, 2, 3. So minus 1 by 2. Adjoint of m is minus 1, 1, minus 1. 8 minus 6, 2. Minus 5, 3, 1. This is what I have. Multiply it by 1, 2, 3. So minus 1 by 2 times, what do you get? First row, first column. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. So minus 2. First row, second column. 8 minus 12 plus 6. 14. So 2. Third row, first column. Minus 5 plus 6 plus 3. 9 minus 5, 4. So with this, I got alpha as 1, beta as minus 1, gamma as minus. Beta minus 1, gamma as minus 5 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, this is minus 1. So minus 5 plus 6 minus 3. So it will also come minus 2. So alpha 1, beta minus 1, gamma also 1. So alpha plus beta plus gamma goes 1. They are asking for alpha minus beta plus gamma. So alpha minus beta plus gamma is 3. Very good question. Now last part, first part, this is also correct. See, in advance, don't take risk of marking any wrong answer. If you don't get it, don't fake a bluff. Because in multi-correct, one answer gone, you are gone. Getting my point? What happens in advanced exam? If you mark any answer, if it is correct, you got total 5 marks. But if it goes wrong, you get -2 marks. If there is a partial marking. Yes or no? Now for the first option A option में they are saying adjoint M inverse plus adjoint of M inverse. Now I know that M into adjoint of M is determinant of M into I. Yes or no? Now this is adjoint of M. Adjoint of M is going to be determinant of M into M inverse whole inverse plus adjoint of M inverse is determinant of M inverse into M. So that is this is M upon determinant of M. This is also M upon determinant of M. That is 2M upon determinant of M. Determinant of M is -2. So it is 2M upon -2. So it is -C. That is also a correct answer. Have a look. बहुत बढ़िया question है. Very good question. Got it? Now, go with this question. Have a look. M is sine to the power 4 theta minus 1 minus sin square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos to the power 4 theta. And alpha, this will be I. Alpha I. Yes. Read the question once. Now see. M is sine to the power 4 theta minus 1 minus sin square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos to the power 4 theta is equals to alpha times 1001 plus beta times. Now M inverse is adjoint of M upon determinant of M. So I write a determinant of m into adjoint is what? I told you change the diagonal entries. So cos to the power 4 theta, sin to the power 4 theta, and change the sign of diagonal entries. 1 plus sin square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. Got it? Now give it a comparison. So if I compare one equation I got, sin to the power 4 theta is alpha plus beta upon determinant of m cos to the power 4 theta. All right. Another equation that I got, minus 1 minus sin square theta is beta upon determinant of m into 1 plus sin square theta. So 1 plus sin square if I cancel, so beta is minus determinant of m. Correct? Now if beta is minus determinant of m, put it here. So sin to the power 4 theta is alpha minus cos to the power 4 theta. So this implies alpha is what? Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta, which I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, which is 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta whole square. Got it? Now they're saying alpha star is the minimum value of alpha theta. So what will be the minimum value of alpha? When the quantity you are subtracting is going to be maximum. So that is 1 minus 1 by 2, it is half. This is the minimum value of alpha. Correct? Now beta is what? Beta is minus determinant of m. Now simplify the determinant of m. Sin to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 plus sin square 1 plus cos square. Minus. So it will come 1 plus 1 plus sin square theta cos square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta. Correct? Now it is 2 plus. It is 1/4 of sin 2 theta whole square 1 by 16 times sin 2 theta to the power 4. So if I take 1 by 16 common, it is 32 plus 4 sin 2 theta square plus sin 2 theta to the power 4. Now add 4, subtract 4. Now these two up to this. So it is minus 1 by 16 times 28 plus sin square 2 theta plus 2 whole square. This is what I got. Now they are saying beta is the minimum value. So how can beta be minimum? Beta will be minimum if sin square 2 theta is again going to be maximum. So beta minimum will be minus 1 by 16 times 28. Maximum will be 1 minus 9 it will be. So 28 minus 9 is 19 by 16 with a negative sign. Now they are asking for alpha minimum plus beta minimum. Alpha minimum is 1 by 2 minus 19 upon 16. Alpha is, they're asking for alpha minimum plus beta minimum. alpha minimum half and beta minimum is, just a moment, minus m sine 2 theta. Oh, sorry, it will be plus 9. No? 28 and 9, 37. 1 by 2 minus 37 upon 16. So it comes out to be what? Minus of 29 upon 16. Understood? This is also a question from JEE Advanced. In the coming classes, we will do more questions, previous year questions, few new questions. Now see this very simple question from advanced also, but a question of up to main standard. Have a look. P be the matrix of order 3 by 3 such that all the entries in P are from the set minus 1, 0, 1. Maximum possible value of the determinant of P is. Yes. Let P be a matrix of order 10. Maximum possible value of the determinant of P is. See, now there's no method actually to solve this question. And you just keep trying different ways. If I do it like this, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. I get this 2 by 2 determinant as 2. So 1 time this. All right. Now, if I do this minus 1 time, then it will be 1 minus 1 also. And let us keep it, whatever you keep it, you 0, you keep it 1 here, whatever you do it. Now, if you expand, see, 1 time, 1 plus 1, 2, minus of minus 1 time, 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 2 plus 2, 4. This is the maximum value you can obtain in any case if you use these entries. And there is actually no certain way to solve this question. You just keep trying different values, different methods, and get the correct answer. All right. All right, everyone. That would be all from my side for today. We have done some very good questions from this chapter. We'll practice more questions in the coming sessions. Till then, keep practicing whatever the source do you have or Avanti module or volume do you have, keep practicing from that source. All right. Thank you so much.